that we can easily find the landmarks from based off other landmarks. And then we'll do cervical spine, spinous process, transverse process, and then the lamina. Okay, so we're gonna make sure you guys are good with them all on here first. Okay, so the most posterior projection of the vertebrae are what? Spinous process, good, so all the way down. How many are in cervical spine?
6.
How many spinous process?
Oh, 6.
Trick question. Good, 6. Which one does not have one?
C1.
C1, good, okay. Yeah, Atlas, why is it called Atlas?
Holds
Holds the weight of the world, right? Good, okay, so then we're gonna go from iliac crest, and we come off iliac crest and come over, where should we be on?
L4.
L4, good, so we're gonna find that on you. And then we're going to find rib 12, okay, which is a little bit more on a 45-degree angle. If we find rib 12 and palpate up, what should we be on?
T12.
T12, perfect. Okay, then we're gonna go find our inferior and superior angles from our scapula again, which we should all be good at. If we go inferior angle and come over, what should we be at?
T7.
Roughly, see if this guy's anatomically correct. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, not quite. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A little bit off, okay? But yeah, inferior angle come across should roughly be T7. Remember, they're not exact. Okay, if we come superior angle, come across.
C7.
Nope. T2. Yeah, so superior angle is T2, inferior angle is T7. Okay? So we'll find that on each other. And then if we come down and we just kind of slide our hand down the base of the neck, the first one we're going to bump into should be C7 should be the biggest one at the base of the neck. And then T1 is going to be about the same size run underneath it. So when you get to 2 of them that both feel, you're like, oh no, they both feel the same. It's probably C7 and T1. So we're going to find that on your partners as well. Okay? Then we're going to just do the spine. So then we're just going to revisit spinous process. Okay, what's the first one you're going to feel?
C2.
C2. Okay, off the base of the head, if you come down, you'll find C2 first. Okay, then we're going to do transverse process. So we go to the mastoid and come kind of down and forward. Okay, this guy's is hidden behind his jaw. But what's the first one we're going to come to? C1. Good. Okay, and then, so that's the biggest, so it sticks out the most. And then if we just kind of trace down, okay, that's going to be all your transverse process. Okay, so then we're going to find them. All right, and then we're going to find transverse process, spinous process, and that space between is what? The lamina groove. Okay, so yeah, the bone itself is the lamina. Okay, but if we just find, see how it just forms this nice little kind of hollow tunnel all the way down? That's that lamina groove. Okay, and that's where those muscles are going to be that we're going to learn about next week. Okay, is everybody good with that? Do you want me to go over it one more time, or you want to hop into it?